Welcome to Legit Consumer. Today, we're diving into the Apple iPad Mini 7, the latest addition to Apple's tablet lineup. Compact yet powerful, this device boasts impressive features and performance upgrades, making it perfect for productivity, entertainment, and more. Stay tuned as we explore everything the iPad Mini 7 has to offer, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews and tech updates. Let's get started. The iPad Mini 7 represents Apple's latest innovation in its compact tablet series, blending portability with powerful performance. Designed for users who demand versatility and power in a small form factor, this 7.9-inch tablet delivers exceptional features tailored for work, entertainment, and creativity. The Liquid Retina display with True Tone technology and P3 wide color gamut provides stunning visuals with sharp resolution, making it perfect for reading, video streaming, or editing photos on the go. Whether you're using it for ebooks, note-taking, or graphic design, the iPad Mini 7 ensures an immersive and comfortable viewing experience. Powered by the cutting-edge A17 Bionic chip, the iPad Mini 7 offers a significant boost in speed and efficiency. Its 5-core GPU handles demanding tasks such as 3D gaming, AR applications, and video editing effortlessly, while its energy-efficient architecture ensures extended battery life. The iPadOS 17 software enhances multitasking with features like split view and slide over, allowing users to work seamlessly across multiple apps. One of the standout features of the iPad Mini 7 is its Apple Pencil, second generation, support, offering precision for artists and convenience for note-takers. Whether sketching intricate designs or annotating documents, the seamless integration of the Apple Pencil transforms the Mini 7 into a powerful creative tool. The device also supports the Smart Keyboard, enabling users to switch between tablet and productivity modes easily. On the connectivity front, the iPad Mini 7 includes Wi-Fi 6E and 5G options, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloads. The addition of a USB-C port offers compatibility with a wide range of peripherals, from external drives to monitors, expanding the tablet's versatility. The 12MP ultra-wide front camera supports center stage, keeping users perfectly framed during video calls, while the 12MP rear camera delivers crisp, high-quality photos and videos. For security, the iPad Mini 7 features Touch ID embedded in the power button, providing fast and secure access to the device. With storage options ranging from 64 GB to 1 TB, users can choose the capacity that suits their needs, whether for light usage or professional workflows. Compact, powerful, and incredibly user-friendly, the iPad Mini 7 caters to a diverse range of users, from students and professionals to travelers and creatives, solidifying its place as one of the most versatile tablets on the market. Whether for productivity or play, the iPad Mini 7 redefines what a compact tablet can achieve. Thanks for watching our review of the Apple iPad Mini 7. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Legit Consumer for more honest reviews and the latest updates on tech and gadgets. See you in the next video?